On a t-shirt, the t-shirt factory, it's already working. Here it is, and we got the ready stuff. Here it is. That is a test, a little bit darker. Now we're gonna do a little bit lighter, and here it is, the ready product here in just 1 minute with your face here. Okay, just a second. Let me show you. That would be your face on a t-shirt. So the factory is already working. Let's do this one for a second. All right, this is gonna be medium. Sorry for the mess because I'm holding it with my hand, but let's see how it's gonna do it. One hand t-shirt production. All right, one hand. I'm doing it with one hand, so sorry for the not such a good thing, but there's no video man today to televise me. All right, I'm the video man, I'm the t-shirt worker, I'm everybody right now. All right, okay, you got the idea. All right, the t-shirt factory is here, it's working secretly. All right, there you go. Here we go. Now let's do the rest of the gimmick. We got the rest of the gimmick. All right. Okay, this is a friend of mine who apparently do have a like an releasing an album. It's a good thing. So what he needs is a promotional t-shirts. That's gonna be 30, 28, 29. Here we go. Now this one, it's the original color of his graphic designer, for which the guy paid like $500. But I'm doing a little bit enhancement. Of course, we're gonna do a little bit enhancement here. That would be a little bit enhanced. We're gonna see. Yes, girl, smile, say something. Oh, Playboy. All right, here we go today. Tonight, okay, or whatever the night is like. Oh, here we go. Now, let's get it done. Okay. It's your special thing. This is one type of our technology. We have like 3 different types of printing. So now let's see. Do we got it better? Unfortunately, yeah, maybe I printed from the wrong file. Okay, yes. Okay, how now we're gonna do it a lot better. So that's it for the moment. 2 minutes and 35 seconds video. Hey, get your t-shirt. Now, if you want any type of image on your t-shirt, this is a small one. Okay, this is a promo, so it's a small print, but we can get it up to the whole front side of the t-shirt right here in 1 minute.